This is the MFB 5.0. Why 5.0? Because it has 5 functions. Pretty simple. It was designed by these students. Say hi.
Hi!
Well, what are its functions? It can be taken apart to be 3 different bags, 1 for each family member. What else can it do? Well, it has a very nice picnic mat for you and your family. Cute, right? It even has a USB charging port, so you'll never run out of battery. You know what else it has? A dinosaur. And a small pocket to store items you need to access quickly. What else would you need? Oh right, it's also water resistant. Oops. And it's a natural mosquito repellent. Sadly, we don't have a swarm of mosquitoes for visual aid. So that's it. The ultimate family backpack for the ultimate family trip out. So now you can go to places like this, or this, and we'll have you covered. This is the MFB 5.0.
一切咧由我哋參加咗南豐紗廠新經緯暑期作業開始啦，計劃咧俾咗好多機會我哋咧去創作同埋設計產品，所以我哋咧就創作咗 MFB 5.0啦，亦都咧好開心贏咗大獎之餘咧，可以將我哋嘅設計咧做眾籌。
So the MFB 5.0 team is creative, talented and enthusiastic, and the product itself is innovative and has a very meaningful vision to help bring together families and create priceless moments. We hope to help create a success story that will inspire the next generation to become future entrepreneurs.
眾籌對於我哋嚟講係一個新嘅概念，除咗令我哋大開眼界之餘，亦都好難忘。同時，我哋都好希望可以鼓勵到香港嘅學生發揮佢哋嘅創作力，做自己想做嘅事。
Back our future entrepreneurs now.
And make our dream come true.
Introducing iMate, the ultimate companion for all Apple devices. Revolutionary. Plug and sync all of your favorite Apple devices at the same time. Apple Watch charging, certified by Apple. With iMate dual Type-C power delivery docking station. Exceptional power solution. 2-port USB. USB-C primary. Charge 3 times faster. Compatible with all Apple devices. Dual Type-C, 10 GB, S data speed with PD fast charge. Quick transfer, flawless data transfer that's even faster than you can blink. Ultra compact with powerful built-in features. There's no need to pack along multiple adapters, dongles and hubs when you're on the road with iMate.
Our ways of listening to music have evolved through time. But in pursuit of the best audio, we've been limited at a listening sweet spot. What if we can expand the sweet spot? What if we can create a sweet zone where you can roam freely and still enjoy the best sound in every corner? Meet Upstage 360, the 360-degree high-res smart speaker that gives you the ultimate audio quality in an enveloping soundstage. Supported by audio industry leader Sound Matters, Upstage 360 is equipped with 8 drivers, and it integrates 3-way audio into one simple setup. Covering an ultra-wide frequency range of 40 Hz to 40 kHz, it accurately reproduces all the audio details with high-resolution quality. With the patented ball cone acoustic reflection design, Upstage 360 distributes uniform sound waves that fills the room with the best sound. Hey Alexa, play my favorite song. It is also compatible with Echo Dot, Chromecast, and wireless streaming. Let music charge up your life and help you concentrate, relax, calm your spirit, and even sleep better. We believe music is an inseparable part of life. Upstage 360 merges all the best qualities in one and invites you to explore the next level audio enjoyment together.